Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu. To do it, press and hold the up/menu button. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, or you can use the touchscreen to do it. So scroll through the menu, find the system option, and once you find it, select it. Here, find the option called Backlight, and then select it. And as you can see, we have three options right here. We have during activity, general use, and during sleep. Basically, during activity means when you're tracking some kind of activity or you're tracking a workout on your watch, like running, cycling, and stuff like that. And general use is basically when you're using your watch normally without tracking any activity or when you're not sleeping. And during sleep means when you're sleeping, basically. So first let's select the during activity option. And as you can see here, we have the brightness. We can tap on it and we can adjust the brightness by tapping on the plus or minus buttons, or by using the up or down buttons. And once you're done adjusting the brightness, you can press the back button to go back. Okay. Next we have the general use. So let's adjust it for general use. Like this. And then we can also do it for the during sleep. Like that. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.